addition, followed by the deletion, rename, CSV file operations, and row selection. Now, the most important thing for student point of view is the success criteria. What is the success criteria? Here, again, multi-dimensional success criteria. First success criteria is related to column addition. If you understand column addition, you will be able to expand the data frame. That when you are a programmer yourself, when you are building the software, okay, when you are building the software, data expansion is very important. Like Mooks created an app where online shopping was done. So when he has to upload bulk data of all the products that you are creating in your app, so therefore Dataframe can help you to upload all the product details in bulk. Okay. Now there are certain products when he is creating the app that are unlisted, means already sold, that will no longer exist. So what you can do with the help of deletion, you can remove the unnecessary items from the data. So see how learning objective is related to success criteria. If you understand the objective only, then your success criteria is fulfilled. Then sometimes we need changes in our existing data. So you can change the column label also by using rename operation. Okay. At the same time, we can select multiple rows using row selection and read CSV file using read CSV operation. So all of you write down the learning objective and success criteria in short. Okay. And I'll take you through the operations. Now see all of you, what is column addition? Okay. I hope all of you have written the yellow and SC. Now have a look at column addition. Column addition means, now see, all of you focus over here. We can see that how many columns are here. Look on the keyboard here, A and D, right? So what are we using? First of all, Aryan, tell me which form of data frame creation we are doing. What you can see? What are the two things? Yes, A and B, and what is this and what is this here? These are dictionary and list, isn't it? So we have created a data frame using what? Dictionary as a list. Now A and B here acting as columns. So if I ask you how many types of columns are there? There are two columns. Okay? And how many rows are there? Pura? How many rows? Two rows. Correct. So there are two rows. Now what we are doing? We are adding another data. C equals to 789. So C equals to 789. We all know what will happen now. In the third line, all of you see D and C equals to C. So this column will be added at the right side. That is evident using this output. See here. We have created A, B, and C. So this got added right at the end. Now here I have added C already. I am creating a new column, say D. So D equals to 13, 14, 19. So DFD equals to D is basically adding the column on the right hand side. So what did we learn? If we add a new column, it will be on which side? The right side, the extreme right. Okay? And how we can simply add a new column? First, give the content of the column in a list, and then we can directly define the key inside the data frame as a column name is equal to the new value. So it will be created. I repeat once again, what is the syntax? df and the new column label D followed by the value that we have already assigned. Just give equals to the new it clear? So that is column addition. Please write down the output accordingly. The code sample is also given. You can write down the code sample. So the first heading is column addition, and column addition example is given on the keyboard. Now we move to the new topic, that is column deletion. If we want to delete a column, we have two different ways of deleting. We can either use del. Del is not a new function to you all. Where you have studied del first? You have studied del first in the class 11. Okay? When you did list and dictionary. So del is used to delete first column. Okay? By default it deletes the first column if you do not specify it. And pop is used to delete again the column name that you specify. But there is a difference. Pop can delete only one column at a time, whereas delete can delete multiple columns at a time. So multiple delete, if it is there, you should use delete. If you want to delete a single column, you should use pop. Okay, understood? This is the explanation. And now all of you see the code. So I have taken the previous example only. We had how many columns now? After E was added, A, B, C, D, 4 columns. So now look at the code. I am deleting DF. Okay, DFD. So in DFD, what is happening there? In DFD, the column D is getting deleted. In DF.popC, the column C is getting deleted. Okay, so in this way we get the final output.